Thank you for visiting AuthentoFile.com. This tutorial video will demonstrate how by using our website you can authenticate your digital file in the blockchain. AuthentoFile makes it easy for you. You don't have to know how the blockchain works. Simply select the digital file you want to authenticate, pay with your credit card, and you will receive a certificate of confirmation by email. This video focuses on working from a desktop or laptop. In case you work from a cell phone or tablet, please have a look at the tutorial for mobile devices. On the main page, click on Get Started. This will bring you to the page where the actual authentication of your file starts. Step 1. Click Select File. The folders on your desktop or laptop computer will appear. Select only one file. The format or size of the file does not matter. After choosing your file, click on the Open button. The field directly below the Select File button will populate with a hash code. The blue progress bar gives you the status of the hashing process. This cryptographic hash code is unique for your file. Any change to your file will result in a different hash code. A separate tutorial video gives you recommendations on how to safely store and save your authenticated digital file. Step 2. Give your authentication a title. In this case, I named it Example 1, and then click Proceed. This will get you to the payment processing page. In case you want to check if you selected the right file, press the Reset button. And start over at the top of the page by selecting a file. You are now at our payment processing page. Our payment procedure is pretty standard, so I will refrain from walking you through the process of completing this page. However, I would like to point out the importance of giving us your correct email address. After authenticating your file, you will receive a certificate of authentication. Giving us an incorrect email address will prevent us from doing so. After providing your payment information, click Submit at the bottom of the page. This will get you to the registration page. Please remember, all sales are final, no refunds can be extended. A successful blockchain authentication means a final sale. We will only charge your card after the blockchain authentication has been executed successfully. No authentication, no charge. Last but not least, we do not save your credit card information. The registration page gives you a last chance to check or change the title of this authentication and your email address. If these are correct, click on Authenticate My File at the bottom of the page. The actual blockchain authentication of your file will now be executed. Your credit card will be charged, and within minutes you will receive a confirmation email containing your certificate of authentication. If the blockchain authentication fails, a transaction failed message will appear, and your credit card will not be charged. If this happens, please restart from the beginning. After successfully authenticating your file, we will email you a certificate. As in the example on your screen, this certificate will show your email address, the title of the authentication, and the exact date and time at which the authentication in the blockchain took place. In this case, john.doe1890@hotmail.com. Title Example 1. Date and time April 18 at 1500 hours exactly. In addition, the certificate states the hash code of the file as created by our site, and the blockchain transaction ID code as executed by AuthentoFile.com. This certificate, in combination with your original unaltered file, is the proof of authentication in the Ethereum blockchain. Store and save your file and this certificate safely. You can reprove this authentication, we call it Validate Your File, through our site. Click on the Validate link at the top of the main page and follow the instructions.